Why am I looking for a change? Long story short, I'm tired of living a life I don't want to live for the rest of my life. I'm not looking for the kind of change people post about online where everything is perfect. I'm looking for a real change. I'm recording this video because even though many people may think I'm busy, that I'm moving forward, the truth is that I felt stuck for a long time. And if you're watching this, there is a chance you know exactly what it feels like. Hi, my name is Edwin, and this is not a typical motivational video. I'm not here to tell you everything is possible or to sell you a perfect version of myself. I'm here to show you a process, my process. During the next months, I will improve some aspects of my life, such as my habits, my mindset, and get in better shape. Things like those that I just mentioned are the ones that I want to change to actually live the life that I want. Because for a long time, I felt like I have potential, but I also felt the frustration of not using it. And the worst part isn't it. The worst part is that people around me see it too. And still, many times, I do nothing. Maybe from the outside, it might look like I'm doing fine, like I work, I stay busy, I'm doing things. But being busy is not the same as moving forward. And there comes a point where you get tired of disappointing yourself by doing things you know are bad for you. In my case, playing video games, procrastinate, and distance myself from other people or responsibilities. That is why today I'm starting a series of videos not to pretend I've changed, but to hold myself accountable for it. Each video will be a part of the journey, my thoughts, my doubts, my progress, and my setbacks. I'm not going to pretend I'm always motivated, I'm going to be honest, even when it doesn't make me look good. And of course, I can't change my life without recording it. So, why record it? Because when you say something out loud in front of others, you can't hide anymore. And because I know I'm not the only one who feels this way. If this process helps even one person to feel less alone, it will be worth it. Certainly, I don't know exactly who I'm going to become, but I do know I don't want to keep being the person who keeps postponing everything. This is my first step, and if you're here from the beginning, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.